Hey y'all. So a couple months ago, my bike broke down and I had to work on finding out what was wrong with her. And the bike didn't come with a book. I bought it used and I didn't purchase a book to figure it out. I've been looking up a lot of stuff online and YouTube videos and everything else. Um, so I did eventually find out what the problem was and get it fixed. However, I found out something about this bike. It was not in any of the videos, and it was a little bit of a surprise. So let me show you. Suzuki Got Jokes. Suzuki's got mad jokes. That is a fake screw. It is a fake screw. It screws into nothing. Okay, we have 3 other bolts, but that is a fake screw. Why mess up, the out? Why? I don't understand. And yes, you watched me 37 seconds. Trying to figure out, why is this thing not unscrewing? Okay? Yeah, okay. I shouldn't admit that. I should not admit that at all. But, really? A fake screw? I should not be admitting any of this to y'all, but this is to help you out. If you have a 2002 Suzuki Volusia, just know, and I think that is not the only fake screw on that bike. Just saying. So, you know what? Make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit the button so when I find another fake screw, you'll be notified. Y'all have a good day.